Jai Shri Mataji. Looking at Shri Mataji's kumkum, we will join both our hands and with all the love and compassion, we will pray, Shri Mataji, please give me the permission to meditate. Shri Mataji, please kindly bless me, your innocent child, to meditate upon you with thoughtless awareness and all the purity and innocence at your divine lotus feet. Jai Shri Mataji. We will pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, I am your innocent child, a devotee of you, O Divine Goddess. Please bless me and bring about complete development and growth in my spiritual and material aspects of life. Let me feel your blessings and presence at every step and every breath I live. Jai Shri Mataji. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. We will join our hands and bow down at the divine lotus feet of Shri Mataji and take collective bandhan. We will now chant the three Mahamantras. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrara Swamini Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. We will chant Shri Ganesh Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Jai Shri Mataji. Now we will perform the Vastu clearance, a very important form of clearance to clear all the material forms of energy that we possess, that is our own house. So we will join all the 5 fingers forming the Sarva Mudra and roll our attention in all the 4 corners, in all the 4 directions of our Vastu, the house which we reside in. We will pray Kripa Kare Shri Mataji while rolling our attention from A point to B point. In this manner, we have to attain our attention in all the 4 directions of our house. Kripa Kare Shri Mataji. Kripa Kare Shri Mataji. Kripa Kare Shri Mataji. Kripa Kare Shri Mataji. O Divine Holy Goddess, please bless us. 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 Now we will make a box structure on the floor in front of us and make a swastika. We will chant the mantras of certain prominent incarnations which help in the cleansing of material forms of all energies. Namo Namaha Shri Ganesha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Namo Namaha. Shri Kala Bhairava. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kala Bhairava Namo Namaha. Shri Katyayani Devi. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kartikeya Namo Namaha. Shri Katyayani Devi, the mother of Kartikeya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Katyayani Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Ekadash Rudra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ekadash Rudra Namo Namaha. While giving bandhan to the swastika, we will pray, Shri Mataji, please remove all the imbalances and negativities from this vastu and bless all the people who reside in this residency. Shri Mataji, please remove all the imbalances that come from the Navagrahas, the 9 planets, and all the other deities, and all the negative imbalances received from all spiritual imbalances. Shri Mataji, please kindly remove all the negativities coming from all impure desires, impure knowledge, magic, occult practices, and other negative attention. Shri Mataji, please remove all the curses, imbalances from my forefathers, my past deeds, and please kindly bless me to be the blessed one. Shri Mataji, please remove all the physical imbalances, all the mental imbalances, all the financial imbalances, and all the problems faced by me in my physical, social, emotional, mental relationships, and all the imbalances and negativities disturbing me in order to achieve success, peace, and love. Shri Mataji, please kindly remove all the hurdles in the path of my spiritual and material development and bless me. Jai Shri Mataji. Now we will pray, Shri Mataji. In your divine grace, everything happening in my life is perfectly correct, is perfectly successful, and is perfectly skilled for me. Shri Mataji, in your divine grace, I am completely the blessed one in all aspects of my life. We will chant the Guru Mantra. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, in your divine grace, I am completely peaceful and powerful soul. Jai Shri Mataji. A prayer for universal peace, balance, happiness, freedom, and liberation. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. 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 Jai Shri Mataji. After making this prayer to Shri Adi Shakti, you will notice that your Vastu, your residence, the place where you live, is blessed. You can feel the Nirmal vibrations, the peaceful, loving, and cool vibrations flowing around you, and you will experience yourself to be blessed, to be secure, to be wealthy, to be successful, and to be achieving all the heights of your spiritual and material development, and all the blessings of Shri Adi Shakti and her presence every step every breath, even now and after life. Jai Shri Mataji.